You might not see your growth yet. There are no grand announcements, no sudden transformations that the world can applaud. But you feel it, don't you? It's a quiet hum deep within your core, a subtle shift in the way you carry yourself. It's the quiet confidence that begins to bloom in the silent moments of your day. This is where true change begins, not in the spotlight, but in the shadows, long before any results are visible. Every single time you wanted to quit, to just let go and sink into the comfort of giving up. But you didn't. You grew. A new layer of resilience was forged in that fire. Every time you woke up tired, your body aching and your mind heavy with doubt. But you tried anyway. You grew. You chose discipline over comfort, and in that choice, you became stronger. You showed up for yourself. That single act of defiance against your own fatigue is a victory. We have this idea that growth should always feel inspiring, like a montage in a movie. But that's not the reality. Sometimes, growth feels like bone-deep exhaustion. It feels like the profound silence of working alone while the world sleeps. It feels like the excruciating weight of patience, of waiting for the seeds you've planted to finally break through the soil. But do not be mistaken. Invisible growth is still growth. The strength you build in private will one day be revealed in public. Progress isn't always a number on a scale or a new title on a business card. Sometimes it's purely emotional and internal. It's learning to forgive yourself. It's setting a boundary. It's the newfound ability to sit with discomfort without running away. This is the work that matters most. So take a moment and acknowledge today. Look back at the person you were yesterday, last week, last year, and tell yourself with conviction, I grew every time I faced a fear. I grew every time I chose the harder path. I grew every time I didn't walk away.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.